So another cool feature that we have on our platform is the ability to do player trades. This is something that you can either configure once the draft finishes or before the draft starts. But the first thing, obviously, if you want to allow coaches to make trades after the draft, is enabling the trading feature. There's a couple different settings. You can do the admin approval if you want to make sure that each trade that goes through you approve first. If you want to allow the protected picks to get traded, you can enable that. If you want to allow the siblings to get split up, you can enable that, which, these two right here, I would recommend not enabling that, but you do have the option to do that. And you can also prevent the same player from appearing in more than one active proposal. If you want a kid to be able to be traded, if you want a coach to be able to propose a kid for different trades, you can disable this. The standard is that that's blocked. You can also set how long you want to allow the trades to last for. So if you do 2 days, you can do 48 hours. Make sure you always save the settings, and you can set a manual date that it's going to close. You can do however many max proposals you want to allow per team. This right here is if you want to lock any individual players, prevent them from being included in any trade proposal. Let's say Levi, you don't want him to get traded. He's locked to his team. You press lock. It'll save, and now he can be traded from the Bears. And then when coaches start trading, you'll be able to see all their activity here. And that's the player trades if you want to enable that cool feature for your league as well.